Photoperiodism definition, mainly here it is three types of definitions here given. Photoperiodism is a physiological response to day length and synchronization of plant events according to seasons, and plants detect the time of year by the photoperiod, the relative lengths of night and day. Photoperiodism is the general definition is the plants attracted towards light, towards photo, called photoperiodism. The plant part majorly shoot. The shoot is developed to attract side of light towards light, called photoperiodism, and towards attractive light, and they develop into flowers based on the daylight and night also. Based on the photoperiodism, three types of plants here it is. Three different types of plants are present. Short day photoperiodism plants. Short day photoperiodism plants means flower when days are short and nights are long. Example, poinsettia and chrysanthemum. Means in these plants, for the development of flowers, they need length of low length or short length of light and long length of night for the development of flowers. So they are utilized only short length of light called short day plants, and long day photoperiodism plants flowers when days are long and nights are short. Example, spinach and radish. These plants are utilized more length of light. More length of light means long length of light, daylight for the development of flowers, and low length and means short length of night. Here it is long day plants utilized long length of light, long day of light, called long day of photoperiodism plants. And the next third one is day neutral. Day neutral photoperiodism. Flowering does not depend on the length of the day or night. Means for the production of plants, for the production of flowers, they cannot depend on the day light and night also. These plants are called day neutral plants, day neutral photoperiodism plants. Example, tomato. These are the three types of photoperiodism plants.